Grace and peace to you all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald Siami, author of Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, so we continue on practical exam questions on gamma and beta functions. We are on 7b, evaluate the integral from 0 to 3 of dx over the square root of 3x minus x squared. Okay, so first thing here, we need to make sure that the over square root of 3x minus x squared, we should bring it upwards there. It should be a numerator. And we know that when we change from denominator to numerator, then the power should change a sign. And we know that for every square root, the power is 1 over 2. So if you take this upwards, then the power should be minus 1 over 2. Okay, so it will be the integral from 0 to 3. Then we have 3x minus x squared to the power minus 1 over 2. Then dx. Okay, then the other thing is this function should be a beta function because we don't have an exponent there, and we can see from the limits. So since it's a beta function, and we know that the beta function is supposed to have two products, so what we can do is we can try to divide out this 3x. Okay, so we divide out 3x. So it will be integral from 0 to 3. So 3x, when you divide out 3x in the expression here, this 3x should also carry the power of minus 1 over 2. So it will be 3x the power minus 1 over 2. Then in brackets here, supposed to have 3x divided by 3x is 1. Then minus x squared divided by 3x. You are going to have x over 3. Then to the power minus 1 over 2 dx. Okay, again we know that this 3 is a constant, so we need to divide it out. It will be outside the integral. So this 3 will also carry the power minus 1 over 2. So we are going to have 3 to the power minus 1 over 2, then integral from 0 to 3 of x to the power minus 1 over 2. Then in brackets we have 1 minus x over 3, then to the power minus 1 over 2, then dx. Again, we know that from the definition of a beta function, the variable here should be just a single variable. So we are going to let x over 3 to be just a single variable. So let x over 3 equal to, we'll say t. Okay, then we can make x the subject. So it will be x is equal to 3t. Then we need to differentiate, because we also need to change for dx. Okay, so what's the derivative of x? The derivative of x is 1 times x times dx, so you get dx. Derivative of 3t with respect to t is 3, then you multiply by dt. Okay, so if you change the variable, you should also change the limits. So our initial limits were from 0 to 3. And our new limits supposed to be, so where there is x, you put a 0. So 0 divided by 3 will be 0. If you put 3 where there is x, it will be 1. So our new limit is supposed to be from 0 to 1. Okay, so we have 3 to the power minus 1 over 2. Then the integral from 0 to 1. Then where there is x, we're supposed to have 3t. So it is 3t to the power minus 1 over 2. Then here 1 minus x over 3 is t. So 1 minus t. Then to the power minus 1 over 2. Then where there is dx, supposed to be 3 dt. So 3 dt. Okay, so we're supposed to get rid of or divide out the constants. So this 3 is a constant. 3 to the power minus 1 over 2 will multiply with this 3 to the power minus 1 over 2. And we know that when we have same bases, when you multiply numbers with same bases, you just add the powers. So it will be minus 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 2. And that will give us a minus 1. So this will be 3 to the power minus 1. Again, we multiply with this 3. So 3 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 3, that is a 1. So it cancelled out. So this, the constants goes. So we remain with just integral from 0 to 1 of, this is t to the power minus 1 over 2 and 1 minus t to the power minus 1 over 2 dt. And if you look at this, this is a definition for a beta function. This is a beta function. So we're supposed to have x to the power minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. So this is similar to this, only that we're supposed to have m minus 1 where there is minus 1 over 2, and here we're supposed to have n minus 1. So we need to solve for m and n. So we'll say m minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over 2, and n minus 1 should give us minus 1 over 2. So here the minus 1 will come this side, it will be plus. So minus 1 over 2 plus 1, you get 1 over 2. So m is equal to 1 over 2. Same with n is 1 over 2. Therefore, the O of this integral is just beta of 1 over 2, comma 1 over 2. And we know that a beta function is related to a gamma function. So it's just the product of gamma of 1 over 2 and gamma of 1 over 2, then over gamma of the sum of 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, you get 1. Again, we know that gamma of half is just square root of pi. So this is square root of pi times, again, gamma of half is also square root of pi. Then gamma of 1 is 1. So we have square root of pi times square root of pi, you get pi. And pi divided by 1 is just pi. So the answer is pi of the integral, that is from 0 to 3 of dx over the square root of 3x minus x squared. Thank you so much for your time.